Hello friends, I am Shorav. Welcome to Technical Skills Linux. So in this video, I am show you how to free install and configure CyberPanels on AWS within 10 minutes. Okay. So before go to lab, so you need to know about the CyberPanel. Okay. So here, so that mainly CyberPanels is like a control panel, so it's server requirements and features. So here you can see the that is a cyberfinance.net is officially cyberfinance official site, uh, and here server requirements CentOS 7 or CentOS 8 or Ubuntu 18.04 or Ubuntu 20.04, right? And next Python 2.7, and RAM is minimum 1 GB or about, and hard disk is that 10 GB is minimum. So and now go to features. So CyberPanel is the first control panel, so that users and uses OpenLiteSpeed as a web server, right? So mainly, so some of the features of some CyberPanels are listed below. That's like a is if you want to install CyberPanels in server, so they mainly need to root access. And next you can you can have reseller account and normal accounts. Okay, so its feature is main that auto ssl pre auto ssl and ftp server and dns server, lightweight dns server, and you can access php myadmins and also mail email support, file manager, php management, and firewalls, and just one click backup and restore, email limit, spam. So it's it. And next, if you want to that multiple php version, so if your website as for require, so if you want to change your php version up to php 7.3 up to php 7 7.2, right? So it's very easily used for other cPanels, and it is totally free, and you also get free ssl from where. So now I am just go the this site. Okay, here you can see CyberPanels is that is a T2 Myco for it's free for AWS. If you want to just first time your account AWS, that time you get a free for 1 years, right? So T2 Myco, so here T2 Myco is installed for CyberPanel, so it means you can use that CyberPanel free for 1 year for your one website, right? So now I'm go to this AWS, my AWS account. So here is you can see that is my AWS account console, right? So now I'm just do just click exit to install for the CyberPanel. So now just launch the instance. So now just click on AWS Marketplace, and so here just type cyber. So it's it, right? So you can see that is fiber finance, and you can see here, and there is 4 star out of 5 star, right? So Linux or Unix, Ubuntu 24.04 and 64-bit, Amazon machines AMI update, that is 9 22.202, right? So you can see here more information for here, and you can see here the free trial, right? So now I'm just selected. So here you can see server panels, price, instance as for your server, as for your website. You can select your instance. But in this practicals, I am use that T2 Myco because my AWS server is right now it's free trial. So I want to use free trial T2 Myco for my website. So right, as for my website, T2 Myco for enough for that. Okay. So now I'm just continue. So here, before you just go continue, you just check out everything. So that is the cyber finance image provide this one click installer, so to automatically installs, and that is a often light speed, right? And say here you can host your WhatsApp site, Joomla site, and also manage to as your own requirements, right? And here you just support HTTP version 3, right? And also mail server also. Here you can use that your control panel. Right now I'm just click continue. So now I can see that CPU micro is free. So as that's one CPU, one RAMs for enough for that in for my current project or current website. So now I'm just continue to next, and here is everything that you can see instant number and subnet networks as for defaults, and I no change anything, same as it. So now I'm go to our next storage. Storage is 10 GB, but it need to require, you can see that is minimum 10 GB. So that's why I'm just change here 15 GB, right? So 15 GB, and all for that general purpose, no issue. As for general SSD, okay, now I'm just go next tag. If you tag is nothing, just for identify. So that's why I'm change that and the name cyber panel. So now next to continue security group. So security group, so here is all security groups allow. So yes, no issue. Right now is same security group. I don't know, not change anything here. So now next continue. So here you can see everything. So here instance type. So once again you just check out everything. So right. So hourly software is free totally. So because is cyberpan is free, and also due to micro instance, that's why you can free 1 year. So now I'm just check out everything. So it's done. Now I'm go to click on launch. Here you just create a server key. So now I'm just create server key, uh, cyberpanel key file. So right, I'm just go download. So yes, and now I'm just click on launch instance. So it's take some one minimum, say it's 1 minute. So is now you just create a security group and authorize inbounds rules success, and just installing process the launch. At the moment I am just convert. If you want to server login, so you convert the prem files, ppk files, then you can go the put it login the access, you can put it. Okay, so now wait for some minutes. Okay, so after I'm just refresh, you can see that page. So then you can just refresh. So then after you get the main page. Okay, so EC2 instance. So here you can see that is my server cPanel. So it's running check. So now I'm just login. So okay, in my server. So here I'm just copy the IP address, and then I'm just go to putty. So before go to putty, so so before go to putty, so then you can just change your PEM file format. So because putty is not support any PEM file, so that's why I just convert to PEM file, putty to PEM file to PPK. Okay, so now I have already convert. So now you just go putty. Here just put your IP address, just paste 1 second. So and coffee. So here I'm just paste the IP address. So now I'm just uh, select my that is my cyber finance key ppk files, right? So I have already convert the ppk files. So now I'm just open. So yes, username as just for default, set the root ubuntu. So here so you can see that is everything for that server. So now I'm just on. So here you can see that is more for CyberPanel browser. You can see as CyberPanel PHP and CyberPanel and Rain log for mail. Okay, so now open the notepad. So I'm just paste here. So now it's on the server, so you can see that URL. So you can get the CyberPanel admin password with this through these links, all right? And you can see your get the MySQL user password with from that password, right? So now I'm also copy these also for need to password or ECT. Just copy here. So okay, so now I have the last line, the last login. So from that's from server, and here you can see one get a message. So do you wish to update your system now? So this will update the web server as well. So yes, I definitely. So I will update. Yes, now hit enter. So still now the web server and also the server is updated. So any needs any patch, so it definitely updates, right? So it few minute. Okay, so yes, it's 100% done. So you can see here, so update complete. So and now we can use that CyberPanel server. So right, so now I'm just go for that URL. Okay, here. So here I'm just paste here. So I have already for add the for all port for AWS security group 80 or 19. So that's why I'm just enter. So now go to advanced. So yes, and save. So okay, so yes, it's need to log in now. So now install is complete. So now I'm just configured. So configure is that for user root for user and password. So I have that here. You can get an admin password. Okay, admin password and just copy. So and just paste here. So that is password, admin password. I'm just copy here and once again here. So now type admin and here I'm just password is that password. So now put the password, paste. Okay, once again I'm just go here and copy the password. So there, yes, I'm just login. Oh yes, you can see I am just successful the login for CyberPanel web hosting panel, right? So here you can see available the functions as for user, website and package, database, DNS, FTP, also backup, and most important things email and SSL free. You can get SSL free SSL status, PHP version you can change, and you will consult check the log files and security everything from here, right? So that's all in this video. Okay, so our next video, so I'll show how to host your website in CyberPanel. So right, so please go and check out my next video and CyberPanel. So here, okay. So thank you for watching so my video. So if any help to you in my video, so then please like and subscribe, and please check the next part in this video. Thank you so much.